Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video. If you are trying to fix Call of Duty error code 5433 and you fail, don't worry about it. I have some tips to fix this error, so watch the video till the end. Before going to fix, first let's know reason. Reason first, corrupted cache data. This happens when the leftover file from previous update or temporary data exceeded their limits, resulting the corrupted cache data. Reason 2, graphic memory limitations. In rare case, the game may be attempt to use more graphics memory than is available. This could be due to high resolution texture or conflict with the graphic drivers. How to fix this error? The best fix for the dev error 5433 in Modern Warfare 3 involve adjusting your demanding texture and streaming settings. To do, launch the game, navigate to the game setting, select the graphic tab. Look for the options labeled undemanding texture streaming. Change the allocated texture cache size up to small. By reducing the allocated texture cache size, we are minimizing the chances of the encountering conflict related to the cache data. If you are still experiencing the error after applying these fixes, don't worry. There are a few alternative solutions you can try. You can try launching in the game language, restarting your gaming device, or even reinstalling mw3. By doing this, your problem will be solved and enjoy your game. I hope this video is useful for you and try to fix error code 5433. If you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.